some guys don't. But organically, when you're doing screws and you're doing a whole house, eventually you're gonna just organically grow into that. And what I mean by the slide method is it's the same idea. You put your compound on there, you side your blade, your knife, you start from the bottom, and you push your way up. And as that compound dissipates, you switch the pressure of the knife. It's a little different how I'm holding my knife. I got my thumb here and my finger here. When I'm sliding, I have more control of with the thumb and the finger here. All right, that's kind of how I learned. I'm just showing you that just in case you're looking at my hand going, well, you said this and that. This is why. I can balance it better when I'm running my blade or my knife this way, right? Top, bottom, top, bottom. I can control it better. For me, that works. Again, if I don't swipe that and get a clean edge, if I have a little bit of compound on there, when I go to wipe this, I'm going to leave crap up there. We don't want that. All right. Then we're going to slide it down. I always tell the apprentices or anybody that I'm teaching, the smaller the better, because what we want to do is we always want to get wider. We're trying to feather it out. When I mean feather it out, we cover the edge. Cover the edge. So our last coat, we're basically putting it on and taking it off and making it look nice and smooth. If we did our first 2 coats correctly, we have a better chance of being successful. So to show you in a quick way, like if we're really working and now we understand how to hold our tools, you can do this very, very quickly and simply. And that's it. So kind of tied everything together. Any questions? I'm going to show you, speed things up. Kept mentioning the side technique, what a lot of people like to use. Same thing, compound, and you're going to slide it. We're not filling in the recess like I showed you in the beginning. So what we're going to have to do is we're coming back to wipe the tape. We're going to have to press a little bit harder. We may have to add some compound to get that recess filled in there. We don't want blisters, right? Blisters are our enemy. Slide. You go back, right? Look at that. You know where your seam is. Now you can see your seam.